putting that claim to the test, dropping the iPhone 11 Pro Max side by side against its biggest competitor in the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Of course, we're not just testing to see whether or not the glass shatters. We're also seeing how everything on the phone fares after a drop, with us doing our 15-point inspection after each round, where we check almost like everything from the cameras and sensors to the compass and wireless charging. I'm excited to see how these two phones stack up, so let's get to dropping. This episode is sponsored by Defense Brand. What good is having dual stereo speakers when the bottom one gets covered up? With Defense Shield, that's no longer a problem. With a built-in acoustic channel, the case redirects sound from the iPhone's bottom speaker, effectively making it a front-facing speaker while also amplifying it for louder sound. And yes, it can protect your phone from drops with its metal bumper, providing military-grade drop protection from over 10 feet. Check it out at the link below and use offer code 20PhoneBuff for 20% off. Round number 1, backdrop. In 3, 2, 1. After that 1 meter backdrop, the iPhone 11 Pro and its claimed toughest glass in any smartphone doesn't look so hot, with it shattering all over the place, even under that camera area. The Note 10 Plus doesn't look too much better, although there is definitely less cracks overall, so a slight edge for the Note in round number 1. Round number 2, corner drop. In 3, 2, 1. Oof. The corner drop did its damage to both phones, although this time we see the opposite result, with the iPhone 11 Pro Max's stainless steel frame showing less damage than the more scuffed up aluminum on the Note, giving the iPhone the win in round number 2. Round number 3, face drop. In 3, 2, 1. After the face drop, both phones unfortunately crack. The iPhone's damage started out at the bottom left and ran all the way up and across the display, while the Note 10's was a bit more contained to that bottom left and left edge. So once again, despite Apple's claim of having the toughest glass in any smartphone, it looks like the Note 10 Plus's glass takes less damage overall. Bonus round. With both phones proving to be fully functional after our 15-point inspection, they move on to the bonus round, where last time the Note 10 Plus was able to make it through all 10 drops from higher up with full functionality. Its display worked, its cameras worked, and even that in-screen fingerprint scanner remained intact. So we'll see if the iPhone 11 Pro Max can do the same. 3, 2, 1. The iPhone typically doesn't do all that well in the bonus round here, but so far, so good. Camera still looks like it's working. Nice. In 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. A little souvenir. You can see the Apple logo, still holding up, but right there, okay, there's glass coming off on the other side. Right there, you can see the metal underneath. Of course, we don't know if the front of the phone is okay. Seems like it's just more shattered. Emergency call, yes, that would work. Home button, what about Face ID? Face ID is still working. And last test for now, before we take it under the microscope, cameras seem to be working just fine. 3, 2, 1. Not too many differences here on the back. On the front, again, full functionality. So last time, this top row with the iPhone XS Max stopped working, but you can see we have full functionality still on the touchscreen. The OLED display, at least from what I can see right here, looks like it's actually fine. It's just the glass that shattered. And as a result, we have full functionality, at least with the touchscreen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, I hear, what is going on? I hear like it's vibrating. The cameras
are not working. All right, let's try this again. Let's try to close it out. Wow. I'll try the other camera. No! No! Selfie? Selfie? Selfie still works, cool. All right, well, it looks like the camera doesn't work, guys, but phone still technically works, the display still works, so we're gonna continue. All right, last drop in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is from the original, that original spot. Got some glass, it's fine, we'll add it to the pile. Back looks horrible. Front, though, the OLED, whoa. Like it's not fully responsive. As you can see, it seems like it's like registering a touch somewhere over here. You can see the phone's just moving by itself. But let's see if we can make an emergency call. So I can't launch the phone. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so it's, yeah, that's gonna be tough. Obviously you can use Siri, I do know that, but you know, this is more or less hypothetical. Okay, this is dialing 9. All right, gonna have to throw in the towel.
Alright, so while going through our 15-point inspection, the display on the iPhone seemed to recover, meaning it technically made it through all 10 bonus drops, the first time we've ever seen an iPhone do that before. Of course, it's not all good news. The cameras on the back of the phone still don't work no matter what we try, although everything else on the phone still seems fine, from the vibration motor and the speakers to Face ID, so not the worst result overall. Okay, with all 4 rounds in the books, it's time to take a look at the scorecard. In the first round, the Note 10 Plus suffered less cracks. In the second, the iPhone's stainless steel outperformed. In the third, the Note showed us that its glass is as tough as any phone. And finally, in the fourth, the Note retained full functionality while the iPhone's cameras stopped working, allowing the Note to score more points overall, making it the winner in this drop test. Anyways, that is it for me in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the very next episode.